nice, mate.
That was actually quite impressive.
He done alright.
Reading all those people who had like Wanderlust with a little star emoji in their Instagram bios. What are they doing now? Honestly, yeah. What are they posting? Travel is life. So we thought, I don't know, we'll give them something to talk about. Greece, and we went there. We spoke to Eats, and found out what sort of music just came out this week in Greece, Lucy. And this is one of the songs I played a little taste of.
School zone ahead.
Like swerving around the car in the other lane. What a fucking ass clown. Go on, mate. Look how far he got. What the fuck are you doing, you dickhead? Sandy Bay. Oh, you fucking dick. What the fucking dick?
What an asshole.
Those netball courts, and it had like 20 different courts all around.
Just girls everywhere.
To be perfectly frank, that is the reason I enjoyed it. Me and my mates used to go and we'd take like a case of beer and we'd just stand there on a Saturday drinking beer.
That is pathetic.
What?
You and your mate to take a case.
What the fuck?
The fuck is she doing?
Trust a drug, I be sipping syrup, I think I'm in love. One nigga want the food and never, they throwing dirt with no shovel. It ain't no shit my thing, it ain't no flow my thing. I'm gonna happen.
Now let's not forget though the shitbag titty fuck of the week.
Fucking idiot. Things to us. Fuck.
Why is everyone so fucking stupid?
Fucking idiot. What? Fuck off! You came over too late, you fuckwit. You didn't even have your blinker on, and then all of a sudden you put your blinker on, come over, I'm already in the lane. You can fuck off. Fuck off! What a dumbass. Jesus Christ.
You've got some problems, my friend.
You got no idea what you're talking to. You got no idea about fucking life, man.
Look, I think you need to. If this is the way you act with it, I think you seriously need to have a look at yourself, but more importantly, talk to someone. Go get some help.
I got an IQ of 180. What's your IQ? You can't even fucking spell it.
It doesn't matter. You sound like you need help.
Out of all his fucking idiot.
What the hell are you doing, woman? Jeez Louise and Uncle Cheese.
You're shit out of luck.
Turn them down! Fucking hell!
Was there any indicator there?
No! Not at all!
There you go. How about, John, just a little advice from Uncle Luke. How about... Okay, Uncle.
It's one way, bro. Spastic of the Year award goes to...
What the fuck just happened?
Some people don't know these roads.
Oh, well, yeah. Fucking hell! Dang. Okay, that's another video. Oh. The back bingo.
What? Fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? You are fucking wanker. Holy shit.
Alright, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What mad lad? What is he doing? What is he doing? Oh, that's what he's doing.
Wow. Oh, what's this guy doing? What's going on? Now that's... Yo!
Never knew you could do that. What the fuck are you doing?
What the fuck? You fucking brain dead.
I want your badge, I want your weapon, I want your ass. Who the fuck do you think you are?
Are they? Not through the traffic island, you fog. 1DO4UF. Scotty, another one for the dash cam.